In this video, we will explore the 5 best handheld steam irons in 2026, highlighting their features, performance, and portability to help you choose the perfect option for your home or travel needs. From quick heat-up times to powerful steam output, we cover it all. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. Folding Mini Steam Iron. This folding mini steam iron delivers a powerful 1,600-watt output, ensuring rapid and efficient garment care. Its dual functionality stands out, seamlessly switching between a garment steamer and a flat iron. This versatility allows you to handle a wide range of fabric types, from delicate silks to sturdy cottons. Additionally, it functions as a compact humidifier, gently adding moisture to the air for a fresher environment. The design incorporates a foldable handle, making storage simple and convenient. It tucks neatly into travel luggage, perfect for business trips or vacations. 8. Strategically placed steam outlets provide a strong and consistent flow, ensuring that every wrinkle is quickly smoothed away. You can enjoy continuous steaming without interruption, making it ideal for both daily use and last-minute touch-ups. A separate 250 milliliter visible water tank adds to the convenience. The detachable tank allows you to monitor water levels at a glance and refill easily without any hassle. The compact design does not compromise on performance, combining power, functionality, and portability in one device. Whether you need to freshen clothes at home or while traveling, this folding mini steam iron ensures that garments remain crisp and presentable. Its combination of efficiency, versatility, and thoughtful design makes it a reliable choice for anyone seeking professional quality results in a small, easy-to-use package. The overall experience is one of simplicity and effectiveness, offering a practical solution for maintaining neat and wrinkle-free clothing anytime, anywhere. Number 4. HOMEFISH Fabric Steamer. This HOMEFISH fabric steamer features a 280 milliliter capacity, allowing you to steam multiple garments without interruption. Its quick heat-up time of 20 seconds means you can tackle wrinkles almost instantly. Operating at a powerful 1,500-watt output, this handheld steamer generates high-pressure steam that penetrates deep into fabric fibers for effective results. The stainless steel hothead ensures even heating, providing a smooth and consistent flow of steam. An anti-drip design prevents accidental leaks, giving you confidence while you work. 7 strategically placed holes deliver uniform steam distribution, making it simple to remove 99% of folds from all types of fabrics without causing damage. The large 330 milliliter water tank allows extended use, minimizing the need for frequent refills. Its design prevents leakage even when tilted, making it convenient for families or anyone with significant clothing to care for. Continuous steaming becomes effortless, saving time while maintaining fabric quality. Portability is another key feature of this HOMEFISH fabric steamer. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into travel luggage, making it suitable for business trips or vacations. Despite its small size, it maintains the efficiency and performance of a full-size steamer, combining practicality with professional results. Overall, this device delivers a balance of power, precision, and convenience, ensuring garments remain crisp and wrinkle-free wherever you need them. Its thoughtful design and reliable performance make it an essential tool for both home use and travel. Number 3. XIAOMI Handheld Garment Steamer. The XIAOMI Handheld Garment Steamer delivers powerful high-pressure steam for rapid wrinkle removal, achieving an impressive 99.9% sterilization and mite elimination rate. Its quick preheating time of 30 seconds allows you to start steaming garments almost immediately, whether you are working with delicate silk or sturdy cotton. Equipped with professional micro-boosting technology, This steamer provides strong steam impact and a long spray distance, effectively targeting deep wrinkles for smooth and crisp results. Its versatility includes garment steaming, flat ironing, and shaping, making it a multifunctional tool for all your fabric care needs. A notable feature is the secondary heating panel, which reaches 130 degrees Celsius to re-vaporize any remaining liquid. This ensures the steam remains fine and delicate, protecting fabrics from excessive moisture while maintaining efficiency. Powered by 1200 watts, the device heats rapidly, generating saturated steam just as you are ready to iron. The large 160 milliliter detachable water tank supports multiple garments in a single session, ideal for busy mornings or frequent use. The aluminum die-cast panel coated with ceramic glaze ensures even heat distribution, allowing consistent wrinkle removal without damaging your clothes. Travelers will appreciate its compact and lightweight design, which fits easily into luggage for stress-free portability. Suitable for a wide range of fabrics, including silk, nylon, fiber, wool, linen, and cotton, this steamer combines power, precision, and convenience in a small, easy-to-use package. Number 2. Electric Garment Steamer Iron. The electric garment steamer iron features a versatile 2-in-1 design, allowing you to use it for both flat ironing and hanging steaming. Powered by a robust 1,600-watt motor, it generates steam in just 10 seconds, providing almost instant wrinkle removal for all types of garments. Its large 260 milliliter water tank supports extended use, allowing you to steam more than 20 pieces of ordinary clothing in a single session. With an efficient steam output of 18 grams per minute, it handles both small and large ironing tasks with ease. One of the standout features is the impressive air outlet area of 4,802 square millimeters, which is 143% larger than standard steamers. Combined with 5 strategically placed holes, this design ensures even steam distribution and deep penetration into fabrics, making every garment crisp and smooth. The steamer produces high-temperature steam at 110 degrees Celsius, effectively removing mites and allergens. This not only keeps clothes wrinkle-free, but also contributes to a cleaner and healthier environment for you and your family. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for travel or home use, fitting neatly into luggage or small storage spaces. The electric garment steamer iron combines powerful performance, efficient steam delivery, and hygienic care, making it a reliable solution for maintaining fresh and wrinkle-free clothing anytime, anywhere. Number 1. XIAOMI Vertical Steam Iron. The XIAOMI Vertical Steam Iron is designed for both vertical and flat ironing, allowing you to handle a wide variety of clothing types with ease. Its larger ironing surface area makes it possible to remove wrinkles in just 1 minute, while the ceramic glaze coating on the panel ensures smooth and effortless gliding for a comfortable and efficient ironing experience. Equipped with dual heating technology, the iron produces delicate steam that penetrates deeply into fabric fibers, quickly smoothing out wrinkles without damaging garments. The intelligent temperature control system continuously adjusts heat in real time, providing optimal results for every type of fabric. This device heats up in only 30 seconds, so you can start ironing without delay. The 150 milliliter detachable and visible water tank allows you to iron multiple pieces of clothing without frequent refills. High-temperature steam also provides a 99.9% sterilization rate and complete mite removal, keeping clothes hygienically clean and safe for the whole family. Safety is a priority, as the iron automatically powers off if idle for more than 8 minutes and quickly reheats when picked up again. The one-button steam lock releases continuous steam, eliminating the need to hold down a button for extended periods. The pointed design ensures no small wrinkles are missed on collars, buttons, or hard-to-reach areas. With its combination of rapid heating, effective wrinkle removal, hygienic care, and thoughtful safety features, the XIAOMI vertical steam iron delivers professional quality results for home or travel use. There you have it, the top 5 handheld steam irons in 2026, each offering unique advantages for wrinkle-free, hygienic clothing care. Whether you prioritize power, portability, or advanced features, these options have you covered. Check the description below to compare prices and pick the model that suits your needs best, and enjoy effortless garment care every day.